Kazakhstan's manufacturing output exceeded 24 trillion tenge in the first 10 months of the year, rising by nearly 6%. The figures were presented at today's government meeting. Growth is driven primarily by metallurgy, mechanical engineering and the chemical industry. Digitalization is becoming a key development factor. The share of enterprises implementing digital technologies has reached 19%. Factories are adopting 3D scanning systems, cloud solutions, computer vision and big data tools. Industrial robots are now operating in more than 40 domestic plants, and 41 AI-based projects are being implemented at major industrial sites. At the same time, a national digital industrial ecosystem is taking shape. The Tizilim system is already used to analyze procurement by subsoil users, and a unified register of domestic producers will be launched in January.
Бүгінде жалпы ішкі өнім құрылымындағы өңдеу секторының үлесі
Today, the sector accounts for about 13% of the country's GDP. It is important to continue actively diversifying the economy. Much has already been accomplished in recent years. Manufacturing output has increased by nearly one-third over the past 5 years. The goal is to raise the sector's share of GDP to 15% by 2030 and to 18-20% by 2035.
жылға қарай 15%-ға дейін, ал 2035 жылға қарай 18-20%-ға дейін жеткізу.
Exports of domestically processed products exceeded $23 billion last year, with the agricultural sector among the leaders. Kazakhstan supplies flour, cereals, oils, starch and bioethanol to international markets. The oil industry is also expanding processing capacities, with plans to increase gasoline and diesel production to 30 million tons per year over the next 7 years. Investment in the manufacturing sector is also rising. In the first 10 months of this year, it reached 1.7 trillion tenge, one-third higher than the same period last year. This growth is primarily due to the launch of new production facilities under the Unified Industrialization Map. Implemented industrial projects contribute to the volume of investment. By the end of the year, 190 projects worth 1.5 trillion tenge are scheduled to launch. To date, 147 projects have been completed, creating more than 18,000 jobs. Major projects include the production of passenger cars under Chinese brands: Sherry, Chang'an, Havel and Tang, freight wagons, pump compression pipes and sucker rods, aluminum packaging for the food industry and household appliances.
өндіретін ірі жобаларды атап өтуге болады.